This is my MacBook Pro, and unfortunately on Steam they have quite a few games where you can't run where you can't run Mac games on it. For instance, the other day I was trying to play Ninjago, the video game, and you can see over here it's grayed out. I can't play it on my Mac because it's only available for Windows. So in that case, what I did was installed Bootcamp, then installed Windows 10. So let me load that up. Restart. See, it's loading to Windows now. It's still my same MacBook that I was using. Voila, Windows icon. And then I just need to boot up Steam. So you can see now, Lego Ninjago movie, because I'm on Windows, I can now install it and play it. So for those of you who have a MacBook, you can use Bootcamp to install Windows 10 and then install Steam onto it, or whatever game that you need to install onto Windows so you can play. Using Bootcamp was pretty easy, and right now I don't have a actual activated version of Windows. So this is a non-activated version. Just when I was installing Windows 10, I just selected I don't have a serial key or activation key, and it let me install Windows. So that's all. Let's play. Voila.